Everyone, welcome to my channel online learning platform. In this video I am showing about you how to download etc head test roll number slip provided by HSC Higher Education Commission servers. The test date is already announced and it is on 11th of June 2023 Sunday. So you need to first log in into the portal by entering the CNSE number and password. Then the active scholarship are showing here. Now you need to scroll down the portal and then come out to the application, my application portion. There is a button that is download. You need to download the roll number slip and read out the instruction. The calculator is not allowed and the roll number is mentioned already there, and if the data is mistake and not corrected, your spelling, your CNSE number, you must report the HSC portal by complaining your query. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe, comment and share my channel.